I think Sir's vision is waiting to explode in the next few days for the entire. Hi, good afternoon, and thank you again for joining us this afternoon. Bahubali, as we have discussed earlier, is one of the most prestigious films that Dharma Productions is associated with. Rajmouli and his brilliance, and the entire team of Bahubali that have spent nearly 4 years and 400 days making this spectacular piece of excellence. Like I was discussing with Sir right behind the scenes, that he's still actually in the stage of creating content. Special effect work is still coming in. It's still being pieced together. Even right before the release of the film, God knows how many thousands of people are still working on this film as we speak. Today we're going to give you a mild glimpse into the Mahesh, the whole kingdom that was created by Sir, the way he has created this kingdom where thousands of people have worked tirelessly to create it, statues that are over 1,000 feet tall. A lot of the visuals we've shown you, but this is a new element, a new song that we're releasing today itself for all of you, just to get you into the world and suck you into the energy of this kingdom. The kingdom that will be unveiled on the 10th of July. The tussle that will be unveiled on the 10th of July. The storytelling that Rajmouli is known for. Apart from the visual extravagance and the spectacular film that this is, and it is not only touted, but it is definitely the biggest motion picture made in India. And we don't want to say any more till you see glimpses of this song. And post that, Sir and I will be available to any Q&A regarding the film. Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Rajmouli. As we all know that the film will be out on the 10th of July, and we're tirelessly, of course, awaiting to see this labor of love. None of us, including the team, have seen the film in its entirety. And I think Sir's vision is waiting to explode in the next few days for the entire team that have worked for nearly 4 years on this film. In the interim, we want to share all the material with you whenever we come up with a solid unit. And as I said, people are still tirelessly working on creating every single visual. I think this is the one film that has been the most worked at film in the recent past. And we're very happy and proud to have this film in our repertoire. And I'm privileged to work with a man whose mind has bountiful of energy, brilliance, and I would say cinema forwardness. Thank you again for joining us, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.
Had it been released on vacations and all, तो business में फर्क ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ता था, ऐसा कुछ लगता है आपको?
Vacation तो चल रहे हैं ना?
बच्चों के vacations, हाँ.
नहीं, आई थिंक ये तैयार थी पिक्चर, वो कब से आई थिंक वो रिलीज करना चाहते थे. और या हमारी तरह हम बहुत डेट बाउंड होते हैं. उनकी इंडस्ट्री में आई थिंक वो जब तैयार हो जाते हैं रिलीज कर लेते हैं. एंड देयर इज अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड एक्साइटमेंट टू सी द फिल्म. आई थिंक वो तैयार थे 10th of July के लिए, तो हम भी तैयार थे. वो भी खाली वीक था हमारे लिए. एंड आई थिंक कि एक फिल्म ऐसी होती है जब एनर्जी ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर चुकी है, और पहले दिन जब लोग अंदर जाएंगे और ये विजुअल्स देखेंगे तो उनको पता चल जाएगा कि वक्त जो भी हो, सिनेमा सिनेमा होता है.
Yeah,
and
Karan,
I think that is most integral.
Karan, what is the USP of this movie?
You have to see it to believe it. Really, the USP is every visual on this film has never been seen or created before ever. I mean, there used to be a time where we've had spectacles and spectacular films like Mughal-e-Azam. But in the recent past, I think cinema has taken a beating because budgets, other modalities and legalities have come in the way of this kind of opulent storytelling with heart and soul. And Bahubali is one huge step in that direction. It shows how that actors can put I would say, their careers on hold just to create cinematic excellence. Something that we have stopped doing and should start doing.
Hi Karan, towards your right, over here. First of all, this looks spectacular. My question to you is, this is the first time a big studio has tied up with a film down south. So what sort of release are you planning for the Hindi version of the film?
Well, I think Anil Thadani, who's partnering with us on this, will be the right person. But I can safely say that it will be the widest dubbed film ever. Like in terms of its screen count and I think its visibility, it'll definitely be the highest, like where a dubbed film has been platformed for like the non-South languages. In those regions, it'll be the highest release ever.
Rajmouli garu, namaskar garu.
Namaste.
Ee song anta emotional undi. ఏం సాంగ్ ఉంది చెప్తావు కొంచెం ఎలాబరేట్ పన్ను.
Thank you.
Making you homely, making you feel homely.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. This is one background song which describes the magnanimity of the kingdom on one hand, and the oppression of the people in the same magnificent kingdom. The lyrics say about the greatness of the kingdom, and the visuals show the oppression of the people. It's the contrast that's been portrayed in the song.